We are in, what's it called? We're in Kauai again, officially. And if you saw in the last vlog, I just got on a tram, or yeah, a little bus. And we are gonna go get our rental car. Shuttle, that's what it's called. And we're gonna go get our rental car, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. We'll see. But I'm in Hawaii, guys. So I'll show you. It's so pretty here, guys. It's really hot, but it's so pretty.
Well, we have a dinner reservation.
It's not for me to say.
Hey guys, so we got our rental car and now we are going to eat pizza. Pizza, I think, yeah, it took forever. Pizza, I think, it's called Pietro's Pizza or something like that. Something Pietro's. So I'll tell you guys how it is.
On our logo. I don't even like sell it with like, like hair.
We made a reservation.
Melissa, do you want to be in the vlog?
I already am.
Well, you're gonna be in it again.
We quickly arrived.
If you guys want to join us, we can amend it, or you just hang out. Huh?
Okay, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be just looking at the camera awkward and eating some pizza, which I already ate and I haven't tried because their rental took for like years. For years. And like, I don't know. Comment down below what your favorite type of pizza is. Mine is, because that would be so cool, you know?
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Hey guys, we're walking to our hotel now, and I think we're going to go in the pool after, but it's really pretty and really hot, and yeah, it's really fun. Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, we have the greatest view.
Wow. Ooh. 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 What the heck? What in the world? No way. Look at that. What the heck? Are you kidding? That's so cool, guys. No way. Guys, that is so cool. Guys, there's literally a rooster. Here, let me show you. He's so cute. Wait, where did he go? Oh, did he leave? Oh, there he is. Should I go up to him? Hi, rooster. I feel like he's gonna attack me. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, the chicken. The chicken came to me. Oh my gosh, it looks so far away, but it's really so close. Guys, the chicken came. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's gonna attack me, but that is the... Oh my gosh, it's coming closer. Guys, I'm scared. Wait, no, I'm actually really scared. Alright guys, so I got in my bathing suit. It's my green one from Target. I think I'm gonna go swimming now because, or something like that. I don't know, I just need to go in the sun because I need a serious tan because I'm so white. Like, do you guys see this? Do you guys see how white I am? But yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do now, but I'm not really sure yet. So we'll see. I'll see you guys in a bit. Currently at the pool. Hey guys, so I probably already told you guys, but I just got out of the pool and I'm just chilling on my balcony again because I can't get over this view. It's literally crazy. And I think I'm gonna go to dinner in a bit, and yeah, I'm just chilling right now. I literally can't stop coming out here. It's just so beautiful. But I'll see you guys in a bit, probably when it's time for dinner. See ya! Alright guys, I changed my outfit again. I'm wearing this top from Brandy and then these shorts from Target, and I'm going to go to dinner now. And yeah. So this place is really nice, and they got me a blanket because I was cold. That's really nice, and I have never heard of a restaurant that does that. So I recommend this place. Alright guys, so I'm back in the hotel room and I am going to go to sleep now, but I will see you guys. Oh yeah, I also just had dinner and it was so good. I showed you guys what it looked like, but it was so good. So good. Wait, let me redo that. It was so good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.
So we just started to wake up and we're gonna go to ATV and we'll see you there. Bye.
Good morning guys. It is the second day and today we are going to go off-roading or something like that. So I just got ready. I'm wearing this Hawaii shirt from Brandy Melville and these blue jean shorts from American Eagle, and we're about to leave and I'm really excited, but I'll try to vlog it, but I kind of don't want to get like my camera all messed up because it's gonna get really dirty. So hopefully that doesn't like get my camera all dirty. Guys, I can't believe I woke up to this. Like, come on. I am so happy. Like, I'm living my best life right now. But I'll see you guys in a bit. I think I'm gonna eat something and then I'll vlog when we get there. Bye.
It's not for me to say.
You can't really talk unless you like take your mask off.
I can't itch my head.
We're going on some Kipu.
We're going
on Kipu Ranch Adventure.
Yeah, that's it. I don't really know. It's so hard to breathe.
You look so silly. So the guy, let me just say a little story. This guy, he was like getting her helmet fixed, and he's like, "You're really pretty eyes." And I'm like, no, not to me, to her. Let's just zoom in on those right now. How do you zoom in?
I can't even see it.
Yeah, you can. And then he's like, "Yeah, you have really pretty eyes." And I'm out here like,
Slow.
No, right here.
Hey guys, we're on here right now. I don't know if you can hear me. I can't hear myself.
show the view.
Oh yeah, this is what it looks like right now. There's a lot of people behind us, as you can see.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say.
Hey guys, so we just ate lunch at this really good little like cafe kind of thing. It was called like Java or however you say that. Java Kua or something. And
You better off going this way.
it was really good. And we're gonna go back to the hotel now, maybe chill at the pool again, and we'll see what we do after that.
Go down this little road.
Bye.
Just get back on that.
Hey guys, so I just took a shower, turns off all the dirt from that ATV, whatever it's called, off-roading thing, and I changed to my swimsuit, and I'm just gonna go lay in the sun for a bit. Hopefully I get a little tan, and yeah. Hey guys, so we're now at a restaurant for dinner. Hey guys, so it's really late. It's like 10:30, so I'm not gonna talk that loud. But I just got back from dinner. I was wearing my brand new Melville dress, and oh yeah, it's really late, so I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm so tired and I can barely stay awake. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me.